I will say this. Paul told me not to drive over the grates, but you know me, I drove over the grates. I put some metal down right here, but I didn't have any for this side. So we had a little bit of an alley, and we almost just about caved everything in and dropped the whole Jeep and everything.
Almost shut the shop down.
Well, you know what? Good thing we didn't record any of it, because we would have had OSHA over here.
Yeah, for sure. OSHA plus a whole bunch of comments saying, you bunch of idiots.
Yeah, particularly probably
mostly you.
Towards me. But guess what? The Jeep is on the lift with 0 damage, or 0 extra damage.
Yes, 0 extra.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the engine. A lot of people were saying in the comments I should drop the engine. Dad said I should drop the engine. Paul says I should drop the engine.
I said it when it was sitting out there before it was even tore apart. I said, you need to take the engine out. And you said, nah, I got this.
Okay, Paul, we all know you love to be right.
He's the one that damaged it, so he's going to be the one that fixes it.
Huh?
Maybe put it a little away from this hole.
Ah, vamos a ir here. Hold up. Hold up.
Nope. Oh, stop.
Oh, wait. That'll be $50, sir. Just come on forward. Hold on. Stop. All right, come on. Okay, stop right there. I'm gonna move this thing over this way. More. All right, come forward. More. All right, right there, stop. This is dangerous.
Sketchy situation.
Paul, you know me.
Yuri, day number 2 on sketchy situation. I think that's what you should call this series.
Oh shoot!
What?
We need to tilt it.
Will it tilt without starting it?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, better not. You won't even tilt it to park. You gotta tilt the park right.
Hey.
More. Right there, high. Look at that more. All right, go back up.
Parking brake.
What? That's good.
Good?
Now, go ahead and tilt it down a little bit. And then go up. A little more. Right there. Leave it right there.
Hey, but don't we want to bring the whole Jeep down? No. Hey, Yuri. What? You don't think the ass end is going to fall? Yeah, I think it will. What do you mean? There's a lot of weight.
Nah, I didn't go.
You're about to unbolt.
Bring it down slowly. slowly bring it down. Right, stop. Make sure nothing is pulling up. Lower it down. Gone.
What you trying to get off here?
I think it's the shifter cable. Either the shifter or the four-wheel drive cable. One of
This
the
thing right here, yeah.
Huh?
So this wire right here, cable.
Yeah. I'm trying not to unhook it like from the clip.
Right.
Because usually these clips break. Hoping I can do it without having to take a bunch of other stuff off.
You look like you're comfortable in tight spaces.
Oh yeah, I love tight spaces. Oh, there we go, look at that.
Nice, very nice.
Oh, smells like training fluid under there.
Tranny fluid.
Go on. Slowly. Hold on. All right, go. Yeah. On that grate over there. Watch that back in. You gonna fall in, Paul. Dude, look how nasty this brake fluid is.
Are you washing that blood off your finger with brake fluid?
Yeah,
that's your
a little
antiseptic.
A little bit. You think that's bad for me at all? That's the best way to heal a wound, really.
Stay tuned for the emergency room. What's up, buddy?
Hey man, this is my brother Tremaine right here.
What's up, Tremaine?
Hey, Tremaine, this is Yuri and this is Paul.
You got to sign a non-disclosure.
Look, good man right here. Hey, you talking about Nathan? Yeah.
There's Nate.
What's Nate doing? Y'all got him out there on the grid.
I don't know. I guess he's supposed to be around Miss C.
Who?
Miss C.
Oh.
You know the lady that work over in
Nate, you don't look like you've been doing anything today.
I've been doing nothing today. What's up, man?
Nate, what's up?
That man got some fuzz on his chin.
Look, here he is.
So we got the engine out. We got everything removed. As you can see, we got all the heat shields removed, and may have jacked my finger up a little bit, but that's okay. And now what we need to do is remove these brake lines right here and start cutting off this frame rail. It's actually nice right here. Look, you can see where it's seamed. So it's gonna come off in one chunk right there. This whole piece is gonna come off. The next step is to remove the brake booster to give us access to this strut tower all the way around. And also we need to probably remove all this wiring and these brake lines right here. I'm probably going to pop them off and lower them down. And once we get everything out of the way, we can start cutting off this frame rail section and working on replacing it with our donor section. Some very tight conditions. Very tight conditions. Now we need to remove this clip right here. And this clip, it's actually pretty simple to remove. Oh, there. Ooh. Oh, okay. That works. Now we need to remove this wiring. I'll probably end up just pushing it all up inside the vehicle. And then we should be ready to cut. Gets hit, laughs about it. You gotta be careful not to damage it. Oh, shoot. Dadgummit. Ha! April Fool's is already cracked anyways. Who cares? as you guys can see, we have the frame rail removed. And what I need to do is I need to cut this back. So we'll cut this back here like this. We'll remove that. We'll replace this with the new piece. And then we'll have a bit of an overlap like we need. We need to have at least 6 inches of overlap. So we'll probably cut it back a little further. And then we'll get this piece off and get this little piece off. And we will be ready to install the new section. All right, guys, it's been a very long week. It's been a long day, and I think I got a lot done today. I honestly do. Huge shout out to Paul for helping me pull this motor out. And stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'm going to be welding this frame rail back on. We're going to be doing a couple of other things as well. It's going to be kind of a mashup of a bunch of different stuff because we are trying to get some work done and make some money. So just bear with us, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.